Yamamuaha Adamu se Sompa TV Sunni Prem to Bekasi na braso say ye betina say na yetimi ede edime won se mo eba ne doso de obetie bie wo mu no ene se Ghana man panyin na do dan kwa akufo ado ede nsemo toja efa manifesto ahodo a ebinom kyerese nka ye montonwo no ho
ene adanse atifi nso mampani kuro ya wakwakotwa homam ama agenda 111 wom nso aya asabia ye bia no
Afrobarometer wonum the report for frokra abanade ensem ene wo mawie obete
se de posifo nya wo ma na bekwa kopan won tare bio wo mo shop chenchirenche mampani abedi akire wapa hontama
Ghana Publishing Company Limited wo matla wo nkwa bemu ama santimantama se no wabebia akachewa ha
na what say ye deputy IGP de hwan ye de neba
na wodi wani kyeremu ewo eye court nsensem nso so Lance Corporal Michael Danso ya wode ntansa ball no efa wudie ho no wonum court nsensem no panyimfo atwe akwakira ye de emu ensem eba bedan wo
ene wo bi nso apie ha ye beko buokurom ma me bia wodi mfinhia dosia ye nkoda made nkyia ba mo wu afa no esi sen
Ebusia ensami ni afoforo bi ya eka ho eda awie miso free drink anono de papa ya hoden ya hyemu ba wonum eta yachi ama yetimi ede aba bedan wo sanso so na eye 21st clinic wonum se siatica ne de obo ye expert enu ntino wonum etra won kwabem de wani achemu wo Europe abrochime ama hodo mu na wonum akwa akoto amanfo nso siatica no ede ama wonum ebusia OCP Ghana Limited de fertilizer hodo aba eya no wanya bi ede no ba yeso na watene bribra na enema akoye ede amount na Express Group so wakwanto hu nsem gine da wan bem nti no menkwane na mfa bedan wonom na bibia enkoso tote emfa maw abeheba clinic nso otano support papa mia be say wo twen wo bra no mfa habama entu nyale wa kuku da mwasem fanfri ni pedua ne mfa maw cloud internet enso se bra na we internet won sensam no fa bedan no na enema nyina nkoye mfa maw e wo top high na bibia so ntime enkonkan 3 eba center for say yenkan cho say okoko yade no ene ni nyina ye 3 co-capsules so mo de aba wonom say yanya bi na ntime ntu koko na say enfama ena Institute of Expert Travel and Tour so enso eboa ye e wa kwantuo ho nsem sabusia enwumako we say na epia ye ama sabre wi apramto brekase no ye de ebedan mo bre safatam no ho nsem esi ase no ye de bedan mo kan ye ho e wo Facebook no so Sompa TV Ghana ana Sompa 93.1 YouTube no Sompa TV na wukọ radio no so aye Sompa 93.1 FM Kumase Asante Matem Crop mo sanso na Sompa 98.9 eno so gentra ha wobono mantem ne afomantem mo na cross nwane mo ene yabo yetesen wode wani kire mo bro po ye fam dia Sompa 90.7 enkranza papa tostimo wono so esom ato amade hia wo so ewa chichi ene pincheye ebusia wie mo kenkanfo benu ohene yire maame ekua yeboa esiamba bronya menu abema
the triple my ejapia apam dada
eni na ye kwaye ni wabra apam dada epia ye na nsam no dada ni nyina no de ba ye ne yasa kenye mu ama na ye foforo de amamo ye boawram wo Ghana man panyin na dodan kwa akufo ado wono so ne de mu na panyin de nsam atoja kyerɛ sɛ amanfo bi frɛfrɛ ka senke be ya ye nhwɛ na ye manifesto ahodo ya manyoko ahodo mani obi pese oba na obegi tumi na de tena so a ne timu po ahodo ya wowo ne nsɛmpa ahodo ya wode ba Ghana for se be ya obeka mo oto ntirim no wakwa abato so a watimi ato de ama wonom no kebe ya yenyini nyina ento nkyɛn na nka enye ene National Development Planning Commission for wo mo de no enanka ye nhwɛ mfa ne dwuma ne nyina ne sɛ wo man ne de ne de aba obi obeba bia na manyoko bia ne ye hwe o man ne de so na nka ye fa ho nsɛm ento dwa wo ban so ano hwɛ sɛ obɛyɛ ne sa pepepe ne no ena Ghana man panyin na da kwa akufo ado kyerɛ sɛ da bia ye ne sa enya de be ye fi sɛ na free senior high school mpo ya ba bebo nipa mpempen wo man Ghana ma se nom aka ho ama de sua ho nsɛm agina ne na so abrane no sɛ nkanya manifesto ya wonya ya nkanya de asade no so ebetimi abemu.
I'm not a Marxist. I'm not a socialist. I don't believe in all of this prescriptive planning of physical targets and central planning and all of that. And I get the impression that quite a lot of people who had been with this institution were influenced by that kind of thinking in the way they were looking at previous plans. But to have the output from the Planning Commission, which recognizes the reality of the multi-party democratic state that we have in Ghana, that people come with different commitments to the seat of government and have a plan, a forward-looking plan which accommodates that. I thought it was a very important step. And I have to congratulate all of you on this departure from what we had in the past. And that today we have a plan or a framework with certain targets which can guide all of us going forward and which can guide us even in the shaping of our manifesto, but which recognizes the importance of the manifesto in the governance of the nation, because that is the contract between the parties and the people of Ghana. And I think the thinking of people who say that we should put manifestos aside and subscribe to lands, that is assuming that everybody thinks the same, and there's an arrogance in that way of looking at the country and its future, which I've always found very difficult to swallow. That we should put aside manifestos. They are the product of social engagements. Not everybody will, for instance, would have thought that this free senior high school matter was a priority for the country. There's still people who question it. And if they were in office, perhaps that's not what would have been the emphasis of but for me it was a priority.
Omei bedwekuo ya ehwe se beya mpuntuo hu nsem ho hihye nyina bekotote no sa bedwekuo no ena na dodan kwakufu ade no omkohia ya wada nsemu ye di ede kireye
ya da so agina mampeni na dodan kwakufu ado ne nsemu na wochima mpese be maboada se yenkankire Ghana afo nyina se ne tirimpo ewo yapomuden ho no enye bonne na we no adanse atifi Wamo menseno aya sabia wakwakotwa homam sedebe na ebetimi aye adwuma na apomuden panso ebetodwa na enum no wo chese we no eka agenda 111 no ho na enu firi ho a enye sa danse atifi nko wa asantema ntamu de na nso aya sabia pi wo ho omuguso ye ho adwuma wono munya nwei makoma kunnum ewo atoyema ntamu na atoya atifi nso saa ne bi ewo ho enu achi se eba kolebo nso a wo munya ho wo muguso ye adwuma pa kanka ene urology ho ne neurology ho nyina wo mo ye adwuma se de be na ebeda na ya asabia wi asi nyina nso betimi aba ababehwe won ho bi enti wi asantema ntamu apoema ntamu enkrama ntamu ne ahafo afa ho nyina nso a san hyehyɛ pai ebi koso enti wo mpɔtamu de enya nwie ya nyese wo mate agya se tie bia ebebem.
Community support and commitment to the facilities managers are indispensable. This project also includes a 2-year post-completion maintenance and training program. Therefore, I encourage the Ghana Health Service to collaborate closely with the contractor's maintenance team to ensure the hospital's effective upkeep. The contractors, Messieurs NMSI, along with their Ghanaian technical consultants, Engineer Abraham Fisher and Mr. Michael Addo, have done an exemplary job, and I extend my heartfelt thanks to all involved in the project. I task the development agents, chiefs, and local political leadership vested in the district assembly to plan the land use around the hospital effectively to create a modern enclave. There will be a rush for land, but let us not be driven by the lure of money to sell. Let us be driven by the passion to see a well-planned settlement for our children and future generations. Fellow Ghanaians, in conclusion, I want to assure you once again of our vow to delivering on our promises. I'm very grateful to the contractors, the Ministry of Health, the Ghana Health Service, Friends of Ghana, funders, and all stakeholders who have contributed resources and worked tirelessly to complete this hospital. And Adam say, "O kasarode nyama mi ese bi tu manim, ese me de mi ese mi yina no a ese mi yina no twimo. Yedi kan access road to the hospital. Here, Kase, contractor is on site. Already. New Minister for Roads and Highways, they need the help on.
Ghana Mempeni na ate sebra okotwa homam e wa danse aya sabe e ka agenda 111 hono na wo kirekire ne nsemu
Abusia ye kwaya nim dia na ye boawra mu e wo hwehwemu bi ya afrobarometer wonom e dia ba bonten na ne nyina no e na wonom e kire se abibimremu hase no manasa bibimremu hase no e ne ekroma akoma be se aduasan kono e na wonom akwa ye hwehwemu de beto odwa nyina no ene se wo hwe emebu na e ba se aban mu yemfa wonom so emlemu e wa adwenkyira na se bia bibisa ne mu a yese wonom dato papa ya ye ntamfa mebu no emfa emma amamu ne no aka ho bi amode oye ne dodo na e na eba bibimemu eno aka ho bi amayewura Boniface wono ene director of survey ewo afrobarometer watch sese de ne ma esiko no ebra so sempanyifo betena se no ahwe sasem we se ho pomasi bredi amanyesa wanhwe ya ene ma ebegensem ewo bibremu asenom.
It's true that the youth, I think, are more dissatisfied with the democracy, and they also are more inclined to support authoritarian forms of government, especially military rule. I think part of the problem here and the challenge, especially for the youth, is that when you also ask our respondents what are the most important things that they want the governments to be addressing, and unemployment is, I think, a big problem, and especially for the youth. So they are looking at alternative forms of government that can help to deliver on their needs, and especially on creation of jobs. Well, of course, I mean, this is a very big continent, so as the report highlights, there are differences from country to country. Some of the countries like Ghana, we've seen a huge drop in satisfaction with democracy. And I think the reasons, as we know many of them, the economic situation in Ghana in recent years has not been particularly great. The youth have, as I've already said, like their colleagues elsewhere, are not happy with the amount of jobs that are being created.
Nipa yete nenke wona epanyi kwankyerefo ye basove hu nsensem afrobarometer wotia no yewura Boniface Dulani eni ne den
yada so agina mamrenum e wodumienu kasem no amedo wura mampani abadi akire Alhaji Mahmoud Bebo Baomia na boboa no wono anso na sese okura franka na wogina osona na mu a wokopere mampani egua no wakwakopa posifo wo mo so to kasie bi ho ntama ewo enkran na enum no ene wo chese dia posifo se muhia montare no a ene niam ahodo eboa ma mudwumadie etimi konkan ye no ane se muwura na makwako yiyie na afi nkakrakra wo mo tete edifiri makatuamum ene ehwade na we no enya se bia Ghana nko kwa community ne ka ho ene afi Geofford Enterprise ne Dadalands aban no ene ka bo mu a wo modom eboa ya na fast NR Ventures no nso eka ho a wo maboa masese yesi awie enti efiri na ekọ we posini no ane se wuwura ho na wakwa yintare bia wuhia na adoma aboa mo adwumatimi akonkan na fe wo mo tetene nkakrakra sense obekotele ni bi ho akopam na ebi moto mo kye no na ebi de enso kura ayeskin hojo nom ne ade no ni nyina ebefiri ho na Alhaji de sanse mitudwa bra na wopa ho ntama.
The Snatch Them Young Policing Initiative, which focuses on school children, among several other initiatives, have ensured a more responsive, accountable, and operationally effective policing institution. Once again, I wish to commend the IGP, the members of the Police Management Board, and all officers and men for executing these initiatives under the police transformation agenda. I would like to urge you to continue to do more, especially as the nation prepares to go into a general election come December 7th.
Ewe no anso ho sabre na Ghana Police Sadom Penny yewura kufu dampare no ohobi enti wono so sori gen no de to dwa se timamufo ya mo ya Ghana fo muntie na muntie ni ye afi ne eba beto aba Police Sadom no nso abo so pa ayirim te sa achechede to na ne nyina mu no wono mbeboa ama afi aba no akojojojo na nkunimudie aye Ghana dia.
Assured that we the police and the rest of the security agencies working in concert under the National Election Security Task Force, will do our utmost best, working once again with all other stakeholders to ensure that this year's election will be peaceful and the country will continue to be seen as a trailblazer for the rest of the continent and beyond. So we want to organize, just do your part and be assured that there will be peace.
Erenti Ghana for mo fa ese mo ya ne se dane duru so a wo kwa akoto aba wan wato awi abetena se atie de ebebe akire se de be na asundwe betimi aye adwuma na yewra Henry Kote wona ye penimpa wo hwe ye fitem ensem so wo man yimu ene wono so de tudwa che se wiase nyina pakase social media no ebitimi kwotena so no wakeka de ope no wafa ne ho adi ya emra bia nkonkoche no na se wo matwa U10 woni a kire ho pa woni kwotena ho asabi wano no ewo kire a echense de hweremu awo wo bema mra du se.
Oftentimes we read in the papers, we watch videos, and we see people threatening on social media. Very soon, and I repeat, very soon, under the False Publication Act, anybody who makes a threatening statement to incite violence before, during, and after the elections, we will make sure the law deals with the person and a court of competent jurisdiction will work.
Yera Henry Kote ya fisem so afo na ate se wo che se wotena social media na kan ye betwitwe obi ye be se hunahuna manfo ombe mamra ene wadi afe ye bwramo ewo Ghana ha se nom no oman na dwuma ba akoye ba womesua ho nsem ye ba se ho niema ye ntintim nkrata ne ade na wodi mu atintima na eye Ghana Publishing Company Limited ebusia be se bosome ene na kakranie ana mpanyifo etia wona chifrin krapoponi mantam do ani kiremu wa santemantam kropo mu ase nom na wobaye no ene ode wani kiremu wo manhyiafie ne nyina ne se ekro bia ni wo eda ho kwa eno nti no wokowra mu ewo tekra ene otebrare mu mafie no eya ade a wono so de ensem dodo na to dwa kire sa asem ba ko we no emfa bema enante woba ebechia manhyia hene na sa santeman nyina ewura nempo no amane ye toso mienu ne se enipa nyini abrabon so ye boko ye nimte no ene wonom ba bebie wonom kwaban mu na wonom aba bebie office wokumase ase na etimi eboa ama womasua ho nsem no so etimi afa ne ntampa de fra ampane apane nuane ampanura da na abrewa yi pomakwan mu ama wonom etimi abie wo office kese pa ye no ewo SIC demo eye Benjubli Park na no mu na panyi kwankyerefo ya wode wani chemo adwumako yi mu a won netua no se director ye David Asante wajia kasamu brano mobie adwumaya no wadansem piedi ene de kire
willing us to fulfill our mandate with the highest standard of accuracy and precision and efficiency. To Parliament and the Attorney General's Department, your support and collaboration have been invaluable. Your trust in our capabilities and then your willingness to work with us have enabled us to deliver on our commitments effectively. A special appreciation goes to His Royal Majesty Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II and the entire Asante Man for the opportunity to establish this new branch in Kumasi. Your support is deeply cherished and will forever be a cornerstone of our continuous success. Ladies and gentlemen, our achievements are built on the foundation of digitalization, an initiative championed by the Vice President, His Excellency Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Through his visionary leadership, we have embraced digitalization, transforming our operations and enhancing our service delivery.
Ebusia nipa yete nken ye David Asante wono ene ye panyi kwankyerɛ for managing director ya wada Ghana Publishing Company Limited adwumako na no ene na seda ena woto ede ama eye Ghana fo nyina ni titiru ene Asante Mawura otumfo se to abebie wonne ne dom se wono ba ase no mai wagye won feso e wo mo ahodo ene ekitaya ya wode boa wo mu ene adefefe te sa no wono matimi aye ede ama Asante mantamfo na no se ya pedo bonya for Joseph Kujo wonne ne soafo ya public enterprise no otua ano wono so gya kasemo e mo dansemo didi tray
Because at the end, the man, Oba, obey it, my Ebuna, Oba, only my. You are not like working for yourself, you are working for even generations to come. And on your fair, they are by OSG and tax. Now we be good. Maybe I can the tax from your family. And one foundation. In my way, you can imagine that and I will bring to the Ghana publishing and unemployment on the other hand. But what good we are now.
Onumonya for Joseph Kujo, Nidia no etchin, Onumonya for Fatima to Abubakar, or no, and a Minister for Information, no Soja Kasemu, and Manakrakram, and Sama, what the two Jano. And it's about so body and what they merge McQuay said 1 million anymore. And then 1 Matimia baby on Krabata was Santimatama Senum. Now, so what's some more man so wada 1 share and what you might then Sebeya. And a Matambe said, don't say a boy or Megan and Masenum no, or bet me a PMO a winning in a monetimia bois, I'm a Jumedia who some so at Timia Quaye.
Ghana Publishing Company Limited. Send me an informer di Kasa, Ebu Boston. Say, dear, open Sawi Gazette. Send me a Sadi on Remu, our Remu Krata, Menin Kekahon, or more Musiambra, and as such a for our more faculties are good or Muchembra, or you Honoma, or pay a Mrani Biato, say a Ghana Rapono, and I say, Ax, a Mra Ghana, Mrashavidim for Ashes, I'm on Mampini. And can't so better be a just in my upon crime. Say a cat and cassa or upon crime. Now to do on my wako to sa. Now for shebe beer na Edmacono, say beer na Edmacono, a beer now share. Nensunyame adaroba enna moma penina na adanko ekufuado na niswa bigunu ne pepa eni penyefo a omuoni die a wode omato adwumakuo na no omaye ho kama omode nhye bebra ba ama adwuma no mu atrɛ ama omatini abi omonkrabata ni okumase adwuma ni niswa bigunu ene sa ochine bi si e Ghana Publishing Company Limited a mo be hu se nkrabata ni bi ewo regions
Mame Fatima, a Minister of Information, Saman Boswa for Yawono, a woman has said, no, ne dear, any equity.
Yeah, that's why Jina Santimentemu, I am Krukumase. Na Youth and Employment Agency, one more I Jumedia on Wasobi, or Mantani Mudi, Dika and Kra, Bra, or Mojuma Eshasi, na Ira Kofi Ban, a Japan. One a tia woman or Chichu, one may near some fast wapano, and now one boss AJ Edema, one watches a Nipa Bears and Pem watch dear, one more did at the Free Youth and Employment Agency num, one may near some fast one, and so a baby, one in our bachelor when you saw, editor was not buying, said the warrior Adumate, a Jumeni Ghana, so I'm a Mebunso and Yabiaye, no woman ye be at the Abo Woman Hobra. You're a fee at Jemai, ya back any day home. Watch Rachel and send him say the challenge and trophy.
In modern building technology, now works as a construction firm, breaking barriers and inspiring other young women to pursue careers in traditionally male-dominated fields. Abo! Let me give you a breakdown of the beneficiaries here. The beneficiaries assembled here are only beneficiaries in Ashanti region. 8,496 beneficiaries. Community police assistant beneficiaries, please stand up. CPA. The Ghana Health Service, they are also here. They run 1,240 only in Ashanti region. 157. Mr. President, to help the agency launch the Business and Employment Assistance Program. It's for the B. Currently, the Youth Employment Agency is supporting.
Yera Kofi Bajem Japan no na ewie na anso apade so afo Yera Ignatius bafo awua enso edit to aso no wo chese no kwasem ni wɔn abɔ adwuma paa sɛ nipadɔm ɛte sɛ ɛtumi nya youth employment agency no so ɛmfa soɔ ewie na wɔde to Ghana mampanin na Dankwa Akufo-Addo anim sɛ titru wɔnom a ewura bambɔ adwumakuo mu no sɛ edu sɛ yɛfa bambɔ proper na wɔn consider wɔn mo
president no afi bia enipa eni waye mu kura no esakura no yɛwɔ 100,000 beneficiaries afi bia almost ɛwɔ waye mu na wohwɛ waye ɛsisɛyɛ no so a wɔtena mu ata ɛbɛyɛ 2 years eti for your 8 years no anya hwe kura no enipa bɛyɛ 400 up to 500,000 wonam waye so abɔ mo nsa akɔ ɔma no eti waye eka other programs waban ediaba enam so solve this issue of unemployment in our nation. Yebe se dwumadi na se no MC Kwame Adigra eka bibi say enroll graphic. There was a headline report 1.9 million people out of school, out of job, and not in training. Simply, the other person of can say, there were about 1.9 million people who are unemployed.
No, apadi so afọ Yera Ignatius bafo ewa na ate ne nkan na ewie na Ghana mampanin se de omode ato nanimi wono nso bebọ ho modin bia se beye na de o masre no ebebem.
Afi betra ko na ese be so si fe akoria no ye to aba eyi di o ba de se manen abaye ko ye ba de to mo teach you into the eba de to sabe o na Ghana dachi ewo enti Samu, who from who was set campaign move. And that's it, we're not a trouble. Also, someone reaction money. Reaction money, have your more pedal, maybe side with another block. What said, and I say, quit, you my life, I say, quit. I say, quit, you my life, I say, quit. About the president. President will be also so. Ghana president. Ghana for Amon Abaso, Amon Premier, only one. They were Rollins, the man who Premier, the work of war, Yanura, the man who Premier, and now the dark work of Brother. So kind of when you are
Ghana mampanin na ate se na wode na logisem etudwa e youth employment agency beneficiaries no wo amudwumadi yase
Ebusia ye boramo e won krampomponi mantam Achimota district court ne yakwa akoramo afi we say ye ramu ada e na sra ni bi ye friend Lance Corporal Michael Danso wo hwe ne kwa ya wasase bia nana bi e friend nana kofi wo ne nipa bi nsem e twesa asase no sra ne say ne dia wo say wo de enti no wakwa akototuo e de ekum sra ni asemi akwa akodi court amo akoso asetena na ekokọ wie e kire no Attorney General say yen crafty waba HRS Achimota District Court no as a one of fish so obeso asemo etesemo eno ti wo hwe ni mu kwan so obetimi ye free ho na wade akyeremo e wo high court no akwakotoa asem die no so e wo so na so no ni nyina mromo HRS nyakopon ya adomo a July bosume wo mini de toso aduasa e na asem no wasetu e de akwakwahye wa bla setina no ekwawie no na naboache wo foriata wo no ene kasamafo e de balance corporate na busien wo de nsam to dwa twese ne ma bi koso wo ho a wonu mani enhye da enye ho
already know Attorney General woman at the ya charge Lord me and other two in the medical case, I say lower court to be trial. It's now the process is a transfer case to the higher court. And no other prosecutor, no experts, as I say, only a document, everything. I'm a judge, no, a transfer case to the higher court. Now, I know not any ready, but we hope say, unless I join the we have no natural to be charge with me, international fee.
Nana ya abuacho for retire kasama for the Lance Corporal ya wanya ne baby ekwe ne busia ene yekọ ekotie no na ne krokro mu no ena ye rabi a friend Patrick in the go no ena ye landowners asase ro okoton asase di masle ne ye ho asem yi aba be sori renche yi wono so ekasa ye kire se de kaso ne important langard no esi sori wo wono sempanyimfo anhwe na wampa no pebesi brebe ginsem e basa so de a ade a ene ye akese de esine kura no esa ena ebeba ade hye ya wono so wo important wono so
ye obi ansuo obi awo Central East wo udi no kura ye no bedi no kure oman we mu ye nsuo bia me ye young man amabo me bra obi oni mi bia nimi ono omo sa bra ni bi ena me mo obi me ma ne bribe ndi 22 cedi no me intimidate me ena owura bia ye friend Isaac nam no so odi asase komo obi aye ball soja ni tu a eye oye wrongful owner omu nyina anim search na ba aden of the police up to them muntimi first am read search na ye hwem up to ne muntimi yes you know Isaac ni pie oda so ne nam nsase so ejiji nkofo sika enene na ansa okoma sase bi so a oyeso adwuma Isaac me se ne won yamam if you said you were a man who ye be man bi wa ko me masase so ko masase so na mo se mo twetue na mo nya emre bi ba there's a right time. I will meet you people halfway. I will meet you people halfway. Money mo kwesi alaji ni na. Obi anso obi a. Police for na eti wona ebi mo je bribe no na omo so omo a. Omo ene ye den yeso omo. Some of the police are there. I ebi mo di 25 years in one station. In one district. Ti say nipa we dey na che so omo e corrupt. Osuma omo kura say omo abaju sika so omo koye search. Abekira asase. Omo a police na akopeki asase no. Omo ma wo site plan no.
Yeah, Patrick Ndego. Ono ena ya asase wura na obi ekofa na asase no oton de ma Lance Corporal Michael Danso sele ne ya wanya ne baby koi ena tu twetwe kwa ba mu a wode ahwere ne nkwa na o chese one day won ne pa no o san ne de ama process for motete wana 55 cd 22 cd na esemo je ena mote wasa land garden samo kwaso a muntimi ka ena chese mo ne ndam fifi sa wo hintedu e kirefo ebusia we nyame na meka ye Ndego na eka ena osese wo munim no mo anya isa ne ma na ekoso na ene ye de ebesie no ebesi wo ka so ade ne important mabusia ye to ansem no so amamo
ene ye to aso no we posifo asem ene wo ka Ghana man peni na Nana Akufo Addo wabo ira COP Christian Tete Yohonu din se wo meye IGP abadi akire na sa asemi baaye ena wa West Mrashe Bedwani ye ura Peter Lanchene Tobu wakasa de afa ho se sebio kama ye se adwuma wo mode ama ye wura yi ene IGP de ebe fofra tena so pa na enye ne nwanwa esanse mampene Akufo Addo ba akonwa so no saa na wobo ye wura Asante Pietudin se wo me IGP no ewie ne wode ye wura opombo no nso aba abeka ho enti se we aba ebe fofra tena nwuma no so a se de nke ye se ye na ekoyi mabambo ejina no ebe ba so som ama ye bibie wo ho.
Mr. Christian Tete Yohonu, he deserves the appointment and he deserves even better. If he said, why is more than 3 decades? Now, me kai time I know what Accra region. You are boy. I said I didn't be a Director General Operations. Over here, Director General Motor Traffic and Transport Directorate. Over here, Director General Administration. Yeah. Yeah, Deputy IGP Operations. If he said, Maniso, Manage, but I'll be back. I want to say, me shadow and Mrakua, President Nana Akufo Addo, you see. And maybe I show police, there were 2 positions directly behind the IGP. There were Deputy IGP Operations and there were Deputy IGP Administration. The other Deputy IGP Administration, on a penny, followed by Deputy IGP operation. But I don't am I didn't the number be by police no unitary command I have command and control the so it's you and your and I decided whatever it is, and 2012 and a police before the constitutional instrument or to parliament said yes, a senior police better to a platform. And then almost every from 2012, IGP, we are going to have Deputy Inspector General of Police, period. So compared to regulation 7 in 2012 CR76, regulation 7 and 8, so in fact, and now President Pejan was appointment, no, or can't say Deputy IGP operation. Let me say, the idea you have free from 2012 of everything, all the acquisition. You are taking us backwards. I don't think we should be making progress, and this is a very progressive law. So near President here, we don't have any law, and we don't have any position in the police. I have vacant. I have a deputy IGP president. And if it's creating, it can be a creation of law. But say, you are Inspector General of Police, and I was Deputy Inspector General of Police, and I was Shadow Officers Commissioner there. So Deputy Inspector General of Police operation, so I don't know where the police council got it for how to president for say and they are just appointed Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of operations. Is it that you are appointed and you are appointed Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of administration? So other occupy administrative position other than senior Mr. Christian Tete Yohonu, and that will cause a disaster in the south. So I don't know what it is. I don't know what it means. Mistaken, so they are more correcting in time because you need position there Deputy Inspector General of Police in charge of operation. You need
and no, West and Rasabedjani, Yura, Lanchini, Tobu. Peter Kennedy ho na chese wo chire nse mo chese samra no kura 2012 ton ene wo mbo tugui nti wonim ba bia Ghana mampani wasa akwafa wei e dia babehim
ebusia ewia no apie eno nti ye nya no de papa yankase enua ba mu nso ye chinchim e de afri mu ya de aya no de no emu ba ko eye miso free drink na ye kanfo de ama ye nya bi what authentic shop bia na buso wo wonten wo ton drinks na wunya bi wunya nton bia na chese wakwa akwaji bi na bia so atimi akoye ede amount na ye kan for 5G mezan energy drink papa so de aka ho de amount eya no wanya bia be show kubu wa ho odin mo amo ho odin no ho nsem na timi asipi na asita Fred Dr. Silas manager papa it was 0246 270221 so na wanya so baby awo bia no watimi abre obi edwabodwumedie bia se no hia bi na de serve awokwo na sciatica expert ya 21st clinic abusia osisi achi entiri ye san for to asesa na babesi wo nentiri no what the no mpo aka wato wa wie Mr. Mensuro eye sciatica yade no eye expert for nko a na betimi etu ase eye 21st clinic de ha wo bia se ye wo se mo brebo mo ha hodo ya ju ni pedua na boso nyina so no Mr. ye bia ye nkrabatan 15 branches eno ane se wo frɛ abay 0540 311311 na ya jo so ne ya cho ba bia ben wo amwatimi akwakwagya yaresa ye se osansa wo no fa de aya wo de kire ene 21st say what na nkwa ba mu de ni a kire mu e wo Europe abrochime mu eno ti ba bia wo bia say Belgium say ye Italy ana say bia Germany na wo enkroto ahodo bia wo so bia no bomoden afa ba ya mede to dwan na efre doctor for no fi say mo ba ho aba be sa o sciatica yade ne yade nka ye no e de amount 02449151116 wakwentu ho nsem nyina no express group of one chain ena yede ekwa akwhye wodom nsa me so wo kwa akosua de ana say bia wo kwa akoton ne ma sa ba we bi nso opese akobobra e wa brochire me so fa ho nsem nyina akodan express group of four asafu labor runabout kumasi ase nom wasa won krabata dodo na wo de ane so be frɛ wonom 0508 111343 ana 0552 827787 na wajo so baby a eben wo no akyerɛ mo waba kokɔ yade na tete wo akyɛ mesrɛ amo ani so nyina yokusukuku wo hwɛ ade a wo nhyɛ da ehu ne ye mesrɛ ebia wo de no so akwakɔ esisi yade ana sa ayemtim edro ba akɔpɛ ɛna ye kanfo de ama wo eye 3A courses Coco Master wonya bia betimi atu ase na ama hoton so abanipadua ni mu baby atu no bia no ebuso ewo ho 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 Abeheba clinic tano sapatapa ena ma meheti abe wo wa chese wode bibidro esanyale wa hodo etwe yade akwakoye nimguase yade hoi hat abrofo kura yenso won hyeda nya no aduro agye se bia ye ye osegye no ena maamia be se bra no fa haban entua sa tokro no enfama ye ka cho se ebia sekil sa yade no so no ama kire wo de hye bi yade bia no eye tano so apatapa new site wo ena won sabeka maamia be na watimi atu yade na se de ama wo 0243 345392 wo pe internet papa ya benya hoda so wo ne border from na tokro bia wo hyem bia no watimi anyade a na ye cloud internet ene ye kan for de ama wo bamba ho nsem nyina so no ehye wo no nsente no bomode a na CCTV camera installation no watimi nyem fama 0202699110 top high one love FM dino ena edi enhwene mukọ na ne wonum enkodi dwuma Institute of Expert Travel and Tour Limited and so HSA bia wo ye dwuma ye ni wo ye nurse ni wo ji awo wo ye pharmacist lab technician ada say bia make say wo ye kwiani chechire ni adwuma ben na wo ye ya pese okodi unkui e wa manone wasifa ho nsem nyina ebedan wonom ovisa ho nsem ba bia wo beda bookings ni ade nyina no wo be ye e de amount so for life second gate no e wo soldier barracks wo na wo e na won sabeka wonom bomade afra wono na ni wonom eni nkita ho 0539899915 and now 0504 694209 no one won so entimi enkasa wakonto ho nsem nyina no obehwe e de egu kwan paso de amount na no mekuafo ebreni so ne toto abasa na ye hwese ebenya enobaye no doso ne nyina no eye OCP fertilizer da romanti e na be me yanya no sa kwan no so eno ntino nya bi ne fagu no baye ahodo so saye mo atoko ayuo e na bia wuduadua na se wo ye patra ne bia ye kan for OCP NPK 15 ana se OCP NPK 10 no at the amount when you be go so wankasa beto no buy na bribra so ama bibia so atimi akoye the amount e wo botomo ba bia ye ton enuro etu nuro ahodo ye de ye fo nyina no won sabeka bi wo ho ato 0555 909-437 and 0555-909-433 busia yenyina wese so ne anyen krato mrata wa bra yegu yamne mu nso abaye bansam no dodo na e na aka ekira ye de besom so
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je wo ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketua wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic nkoa wo mu dia bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 That's a 21st clinic wo mu ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Afuye na saduru hobi mu enti wo dwedwe fertilizer afiwe ubayusu ana esanse afra se fertilizer wo toye amwa wo no na ma wadwuma no anyina eto ape onobaye no antumi anyini na nso do so e ma woboka ane atumda fertilizer papa abadwa so de eno ane OCP fertilizer egumu ahodo akuafo a modo enobaye ebitise atoko ayuo emo ane atosode ahodo no omo enkoje OCP MPK MPK 15-15-15 ana OCP MPK 10-20-10 akuafo a omoso edo legumes ebi te say soya beans, peanuts and beans omoso enkoje OCP fertilizer a eye TSP OCP fertilizer ebusu wo baabia ye ton ya yo nyoma e wo man Ghana mu ha enoti atufo enfre 0555 909 437 ana 0555 909 433 OCP fertilizer papa OCP yegina ho ma Ghana ene Africa biayo
Brakasa ya duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hienye pa enye brakasa nko nuaban ne haban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de ya brakasa powder siesi nipadua na abakwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma baako woni suhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya brakasa powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okesi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Kashenkari Supermarket Asantoa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 brakasa powder eye aduane san ye dro FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agiatum
Sompa TV Emma Aketiapa
Emma Aketiapa yada wase amwakwa babusia yeto ansam no so ede amamwa na yebo awramo ewo nahin so kroba koye no so ewo asante mantama se no waye popro ya wote adwaso de ma de hye wo hoye nana adobo aman na nana etrese ewiaso we no yentimi emfa ne manyina enkogya ya ban so na wade bi nso a wade no ebeye ye na ye wa no wa yenti no wonu mu kwan bi wo ho na atetia propansam atwentwe ho nsem no akwakoye de ama na de hye no nti no wo fasi ne meti so se wo de hye ho no wanko akwadwane emma wo ka se wo kwa akosiesie abusia wakwa akodi aprosifo ensem yanko na se de enema esikwan nana ya omankwa ya ma ne boni wo chekire nsem wo de kire no yanko ne yanko tie bi mra sesie
the problem pa kesi hukuma me kwan na sabi mi kure inso kwa na etwa ho hia okọ ekira efre inso bi da che enu ofikote neba ofikote ya mi kote hia so a be family chapa che hia so emesi me ne so hia so na akobo odan mu ha okọ mi se ya odan me ne kodi ekrum eni prabo ye de odan ne hia oba free na tifi ha senso a me ne kote ne kodi kom yede ahinsu na edihie edinso kwa na twa mkro ne mohia na problem pa kese eye makwan asen osha efribe se enfie no twi na ban no ba be ye gates ni na contractor no asesa na ne makoye in fact my two na mobia sabi muamba kwa assembly ho ni kushia MC nina kasa my friend honorable member of mama party nina kasa in fact mama say the so yi bia na waye intimi ntwen enu na sabi me hu se no nso start ya to idea ya de o yenu beba timidi kanko MCO ikodu ono ka chere se de omuni machine de be ma ntimi ntwen kakra na nsino sabi ababa bo anu nyama ya yentimi ntina ho nsota ka bia trotro makru ha obi fa drop kra na omoja omasi ramzia no muni na musu sa bebe kra ba oba be du ho na esuo yira yeso musa danu woni ekotena krum ko peba bi tina du kra ko peba bi da de chia sam no ba me pa che go ahead na oka se assembly no sabi na se so to a yirifa amanfo yi ni hu na admo ni hu assembly ni bia wa ha enti no sɛbi ade a na yɛ no kurom ma me manfo ho bɛtɔ wɔ mu no ɛno na sɛbi buru mɛyɛ
Nana adobo amai ede koko tie no no na ebusua yenkwae assembly woman ya wono wo chapatre kroba akoya no wasokwa kropo ni mu asante mantama senom wono so chese de na ye obeka se bia yo na so no wo ba mensi anase kropo no bedwa no wono mra ya wode echichire na eyade a etia sa na ema no
8 years ago and I had my contractor that time na me assembly member na me committee member the contractor ni ye drains no oye drains ni we say we miska enu ja eno mutemeti contract no eno mo sade ma another contractor on so ye ni do ba bi no nsu jae se o me no kase tachi na bridge bi wo ho na pie Sevilla junction ho Sevilla mu ho ba bi e ko da no no ama atachi aba be ye bridge no ena wa so ko release funds no aba be to aso nti attach any man here e kwa ne dia asai me ka sense ya na meboa na the woman nyina na say no 22nd June no be this because I'm the charge video ne send me 24th June say obi true anya Greek for line so I ko ka Greek for omu we say ni so post ni sisi wo ni nti omiye mitwana mo ho ama me ka che omo so mo friend na mo for because I omo na djuma to mo friend na mo for man na mo for ko akoko fa omo nyoma e no mo de omo bae nti omo
Usiama me Patricia Henkra wono ene ya assembly member ewo eye chapatre abato bia ye ene ekotie no yesi asenum ne de nsem no nyina so no aba na wie ye Rasante ebo Benedict wono eye semufo panyi ku cover ne kajando akwsia somu ya Grace Buzi ene eye ka chire dom ne doso ena wonum nyina ebo eye mansem ebedan mo Sompa 98.9 wosunya ne Sompa 90.7 e won kranza ye beda wonum so ase ebusia ye fast dama MC afo no bola woman wa betina ha se no manya asem ketua wadwudwa se MC ami di do ine mame akua yeboa asiama me ne de trepo ye mai
ejapia apam dada
yenkona bola woman na woman kid